Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr gig specifically for data entry services. This is essential if you're looking to offer your data entry skills on one of the world's largest freelancing platforms and start earning income from clients worldwide. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in successfully, you'll land on Fiverr's main dashboard where you can access all your account features and settings. Now, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find several options for managing your Fiverr presence. Click on My Business to reveal a drop-down menu with various choices. From this menu, select Gigs. This action will take you to the page where all your current gigs are displayed and, more importantly, where you can create new ones. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a button that says Create a New Gig. Click on this button to begin the setup process for your data entry service. This is where you'll define exactly what you're offering to potential clients and how you want to present your skills. The first field you'll encounter asks you to enter your gig title. This is crucial because it's the first thing potential clients will see, so make it clear and descriptive. Type in a title that accurately represents your data entry service and highlights what makes your offering unique or valuable. Next, you need to categorize your gig properly so it appears in the right searches. Click on the category drop-down menu and select data from the available options. This ensures your gig is placed in the correct general category where clients looking for data-related services will find it. Right beside that first drop-down menu, you'll see another one for selecting your subcategory. Click on this drop-down menu and choose Data Entry. This further refines where your gig appears and helps connect you with clients specifically seeking data entry professionals rather than other data-related services. Moving forward, you'll be asked to select your service type. Choose the option that best describes the specific data entry work you'll be providing. This helps Fiverr's algorithm match you with the most relevant client requests and search queries. After that, select your gig metadata type. This additional layer of specification helps further define your offering within Fiverr's system and improves how your gig is categorized and displayed to potential buyers browsing the platform. You'll then need to select your tool from the available options. This indicates what software or platforms you're proficient with for completing data entry tasks, which gives clients confidence in your technical capabilities and compatibility with their projects. Now look for the section labeled Search Tags. In the designated field, type relevant keywords that clients might use when searching for data entry services. After typing each tag, press Enter to add it. These tags are vital for making your gig discoverable in search results, so choose them carefully based on what your target clients are likely to search for. Once you've completed all these initial settings, click Save and Continue. This button saves your progress and moves you forward to the next sections of the gig creation process. From here, just continue to fill up all the needed information as prompted by Fiverr. This includes adding descriptions, setting your pricing, uploading relevant images or portfolio samples, and defining your delivery timeframes. Take your time with each section to create the most professional and appealing gig possible. Eventually, you'll reach the Publish section, which is the final stage of your gig creation. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with how your gig looks, click Publish Gig. Your data entry gig is now live on Fiverr and ready to attract clients. And that's it. You've successfully created your Fiverr gig for data entry services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.